Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Tuesday, the 25th of May 2021. Where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 enjoyed its second strong trading session of the week, closing up 69 points or 1% to 7,115 points. It was the highest close in more than a fortnight, and the index is now less than 1% off its all-time high. All the major banks did well. ANZ led the way, rising 1%, while National Australia Bank and Westpac rose by a touch less. Commonwealth Bank hit another record high, finishing 0.9% higher to $99.63. The big miners have had a tough few sessions following comments out of Beijing aimed at pushing down iron ore prices. Even though the commodity is now fetching around $180 a tonne, well below its record of more than $230 a tonne earlier this month, prices are still high by historical standards. Today, Fortescue Metals and Rio Tinto both rose 1.6% and BHP was up 1.3%. Now, when the big banks and the big miners rise, the ASX 200 is always sure to rise, and that's exactly what happened today. Macquarie Group and hearing implant manufacturer Cochlear were both up around 2.5%, while online property group REA jumped 3%. An underperformer among the large caps was Fisher & Paykel Healthcare, which fell almost 4%. Gold miners have been among the best performers in recent sessions as the price of the precious metal rose, but they came back a bit today, led by Resolute Mining, which was off more than 6%. Another interesting mover today was Newey, which had risen on Monday only to fall back 5.5% today. The jury remains out on Newey. Undoubtedly, there were some poor governance practices going on, but the board and management have tried to improve the situation. Whether or not they've done enough will take time to find out. Hub24 was the best performer on the bourse, up nearly 9%. Kogan.com continued its stellar run of yesterday, rising 6.6%, while lithium producer Pilbara Minerals rose more than 5%. Pepper Money hit the market today in one of the year's most anticipated floats. It was somewhat lackluster, with shares in the group ending at $2.61, down from their listing price of $2.89. The group raised $500 million, valuing the company at more than $1 billion. In the world of economics today, Australian Bureau of Statistics data showed that Australia's exports of goods, including iron ore and coal, hit a record $36 billion last month. Imports fell by almost $2 billion, resulting in a trade surplus of $10 billion, the third highest ever. The Aussie dollar jumped against the greenback today and is currently worth 77.7 US cents. Just recapping Wall Street, the Dow Jones Industrial Average ended the day up 0.5%, the S&P 500 was 1% higher, and the Nasdaq finished up 1.4%. That's it for the afternoon market report for Tuesday, the 25th of May 2021. Join me tomorrow morning for the regular edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.